Please avoid him.
And that way around, or you want me to go this way? Like that way is better? Yeah. I just push this one, hold it.
Bring back Itai Tamara! Bring back Itai Tamara! Bring back the journalist! We want him back alive! Why did you abduct Asia? It's now 2 months! He hasn't come back to his family! Mugabe! Yes, Mugabe! Bring back Itai Tamara! We really need our brother! We need our cousin! We need him to be united with his family. Bring him back. Mugabe. Mugabe. Yes, Mugabe. Away with Mugabe. Down with Mugabe regime. Down with ZANU-PF. Hasna ZANU-PF. Hasna Mnangagwa. You need Itai Tamara. Stop abducting people. Stop abducting people. Stop killing Zimbabweans. Stop abducting Zimbabweans. Central Intelligence of Zimbabwe. We really know what you're up to. Bring back our brother.
You're nothing just murderers. Bring back Itai, you murderers. Mugabe, Mnangagwa, Mugabe, you murderers. Bring back Itai. You need to answer for your criminal away with Mugabe. Away with away with Grace Mugabe. Away with ZANU-PF.
Teacher Itai wa Gaddafi. Itai wenu. Tinoda Itai wenu. Kana musina kumuita. Teacher Itai wa Gaddafi. Itai wenu. Tinoda Itai wenu. Kana musina kumuita. Teacher Itai wa Gaddafi. Itai wenu. Tinoda Itai wenu. Kana musina kumuita. Teacher Itai wa Gaddafi.